What's up, guys? Bobby K here from pipsyndicate. I want to just go over a trade we took live today at 9 a.m. Okay, we trade every day at 9, and that's when we come on. We didn't catch this trade till about 9:30, but we come on at 9. We almost always done by 10. Today we caught 120 pips on US 30, and I want to show you the thinking behind it, why we took the trade, and so let's get into it. So you can see here, we were watching US 30 on the 1 minute. We always trade on the 1 minute. We do this Monday to Friday, 9 a.m., guys. So I think I already said that, but please like and subscribe, man, if you want to do this with us, especially. So we were watching US 30 because I thought it was the best setup. At the time, our session bias was telling us that it was looking to go up. It was looking to go up. So we still hit it at broke structure. We had our broke structure signal here. So we were waiting for a pullback. Okay, guys, I was waiting for a pullback to right around here. I don't know if these are the same fair value gaps that were there. The things change now because once they get taken out, they get taken out. But you can see, obviously, it was in this area. I had this set. So we got this set right here now. I don't know if these are the same. But you can go watch a live video from today. Today's 7/15/2026. If you want to go check it out, when it happened live. So basically, we were waiting for a pullback to here, and we were looking for a buy. So let's walk it through. Let's see what happened here, guys. Okay, you can see it shot down. Now, usually I'll enter right on the right when it gets to the area, because I usually have an alarm set right here, and it's usually a liquidity sweep. I go by these. Now, I had noticed here it came down. We're in drawdown. We're already in the trade, but we were in drawdown. We're already back in profit. But I had another box here, and I announced on the when we were on the live stream that if it did take the liquidity here, I was going to take another position. And if you start trading with us, you'll see that we do that quite often. So I'll end up taking 2 trades, and it'll be 2 wins. But let's keep going. Let's see what happened here, guys. I had also had a TP set here. Okay, this is about 60 pips, something like that, or 70 pips. I forget now. It must be more because this whole trade was 125 pips. I put 120, but it was more closer to 125. So that's what happened. It went right to our TP, guys. It actually went a lot further. Okay, I wanted to get out here. Let me stop it. Came right back. Let me get out. Let me just pause it. Don't distract me. But I figured we get out here because we had the pre-market high. And you know how it is. It's just another liquidity sweep. It could just come here and then drop. You can see it did come up here and then drop again all the way back down. So that was today's trade, guys. We caught it for 120 pips, 125 pips. I call it 120. Like I said, we do this every day, guys, 9 a.m. Okay, like and subscribe. Set the alerts so you get the announcement when we're going live. And come join us, guys. We haven't lost a trade in months. I mean, I hate to say that, but it's just true. And, we had a little drawdown today, but it went our way. It always does. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by, man. Thanks for checking out this video. This is how we do it, man. All right, guys, we'll catch you tomorrow on the stream. Have a great day on purpose, guys. God bless you. Like and subscribe. Cheers, guys.